Again, I will want to have the x, or the term with x, here alone. So I'll first get rid of this plus 1. Let me make my margin here. I will first subtract 1 from both sides, and that will get rid of this plus 1. So I'm left with x over 5 on this side. Over here I do 4 minus 1, so that's 3. And now x is divided by some number, so I multiply both sides by that number, by 5. So now it leaves x alone. Yeah, and then here we go, 3 times 5, 15. Okay, and you should check your solution by putting 15 in place of x here. 15 divided by 5, that's 3. 3 plus 1, yeah, it's 4, so it checks. I'm not taking time in the video though, because it would make my video much longer if I check each equation. Here we have something different. Here we have b minus 5 over 3 equals 7. This time I cannot start out by trying to get rid of the minus 5, because I have this division here by 3. This time we need to start by multiplying both sides by 3. And let me show how it looks like if I have 3 times and then this here. Over here I get 3 times 7, of course. Now those 3's cancel, right? This 3 and this 3 cancels out, so we have b minus 5 now equals 21. And now I just get rid of that minus 5 by adding 5 to both sides. So then I have b alone here and 26 on this side. This one, maybe again you want to flip the sides first, so you get your variable on this left side. N over negative 3 minus 7 equals 2. And now, okay, this is similar to what we had here, this one, it just has more negatives there. We want to have this term with n alone here, so we get rid of this minus 7 first by adding 7 to both sides. And then that leaves n over negative 3 here, and here 2 plus 7, 9. And now it's a simple division equation, n divided by something, so I have to multiply by that. Multiply by negative 3. And that leaves n alone. And then 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. All solved. Here, 8x over 9 minus 1 equals negative 3. I want to have the x term alone here, so I'll first get rid of this negative 1, or subtract 1. 1 is subtracted, so I'll add 1 to both sides. And then I'll get 8x over 9 here alone. Over here, negative 3 plus 1 would be negative 2. And now what? Do you remember? We dealt with these when we had the lesson about multiplication and division equations. This is the same as 8/9 times x, the fraction 8/9 times x, okay? Here it is, the fraction 8/9. And to undo that, I will multiply by its reciprocal. Okay, technically it is a multiplication equation, and so I can divide both sides by this fraction. But remember, when you divide by a fraction, the rule is to change that into a multiplication by the reciprocal. So that is why I'm gonna just straight on multiply by 9 over 8. You see what happens? 9 over 8, and then 8x over 9. Then over here, 9 over 8 times negative 2. And see now, 8's cancel, 9's cancel, and we have x alone. Over here, I need to multiply negative 2 times 9, negative 18 over 8. Now that simplifies to negative 9 over 4, which is then negative 2 and 1/4.